guys, and today in this video I'm going to review the latest version of Windows 11, which is version 22,000.778. As you can see in the screen here, this version right here is the 22,000.778 of Windows 11 stable version. So this is a Windows 11 stable version, and today I'm going to review it. I'll explain you what are the changes, but before that we'll check the release notes of this operating system, as well as the build number, KB number as well. So the KB number of this operating system is KB501.468. This is the KB version. You can take a notepad and write this number, and afterwards you can install it. If you have any issues installing this update in Windows Update itself, you can install it in download the package and install as well if you have any difficulties installing it. So yeah, now let's check the release notes of this operating system. It is released in June 23, 2022. So today is June 25 as per the recording of this video. So yeah, 2 days before this update was released. And so the first feature here, as you can see, I'll explain now, so you can pause the video and read the highlights of this operating system. And these are the improvements. Pause and watch it if you want. And then there are some other issues, addressed issues, so we'll close it up. If you want this website link, I'll give this in the video description as well, so stay tuned. Go to the description and comment section, you'll definitely get this link, and you can check the release notes before installing this update. So yeah, let's talk about the features. So the first feature which everyone are crazy about this Windows update is this new search highlights. Yes, my friends, before it was on Windows 10, but now it is on the Windows 11 stable version, and it's working fully. As you can see, you'll get all the Windows search suggestions here, and this is the highlights section. As you can see, before it was, I think, on the Windows 10, but Microsoft has started rolling out in this update, Windows 11 update. So yeah, as you can see, you'll get the popular news on your search bar as well. It may be from any country, any state, etc. But you will get this search highlights option on your Windows 11 PC after installing this Windows 11 update, which is 22,000.778. So after installing this update, KB501.468, you will get this new search highlights option. This is the main feature of this update. And next, what are the improvements? This is only the feature. What are the improvements actually? In the widget section, if you scroll down, sometimes widgets might crash in some PCs, but now it's not like that. Now your widget section won't crash, and you can easily add all kind of widgets such as family, safety, to-do, tips, gaming. So yeah, widget section has been fully fixed now. So next time if you get any kind of update, you won't get any kind of issues as well, because Microsoft has fixed it. Okay, and the weather has been improved, and the data is shown here, is shown right. This data is actually real time updated, so if weather changes, the weather will also change. If it's rainy here, it will become cloudy. It depends on the weather, and this is live updating weather widget. So this is the new feature. Now let's talk about the second feature, which is on the settings. You have to go for settings for that feature, and if you go to accessibility, here the eye control feature, before it, I think many people were telling that this eye control feature was not working, but now it is working finally after many times, and Microsoft has fixed it. But you have to use an eye tracker and this eye control is there now. It has been smooth now, so I don't have that eye control, eye tracker. This is only for some people that do multitasking, and this has been fixed now fully, and you can use it. And the next feature is in privacy and security. If you go to Windows security, here if you go to open Windows security, if you launch the Windows Defender, sometimes this virus and threat protection, it sometimes was blank. If like, I'll show you how. Like, you see all these options, right? Like this. Before this update, if you launch, sometimes you can't find these options at all. It was fully blank. Like, Microsoft didn't care about it, and in this update, developers has been fixed this issue, and you won't get this error again and again now. And now you'll get all the options perfectly working and fine, and the Windows security scan will also work properly. It will scan all the files correctly. So yeah, and that's it guys for this update. But the main feature I'll tell you again, this search highlights. You'll get the search highlights when you click this Windows search button here in the taskbar. So yeah, you can decide you want to install the update or not, because there are a lot of bugs in Windows 11, and the Windows 11 is lagging after this Windows search highlights. So yeah, it takes some weeks or months to fix these issues. So yeah, you can decide whether you want to install this or not. Once again, and I'll tell you the Windows this update version, the name of this update. It is KB501.468, and this release notes link I'll give you in the description box. So this blog I'll give you in the description box. Okay, so you can check the description down below. So yeah, that's it for this today's video. And if you like this video guys, please like the video. And in our previous short video, Redmi 9 India, we got a huge response, so thank you for that. So yeah, you'll get regularly videos about tech, and you'll get the Windows updates as well, news. So thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video, and have a good day. Thank you.